So I'm in the process of salvaging this clip, which is much better than the one aftermarket one. They're pretty sturdy. It doesn't come up easily and doesn't break out easily like the aftermarket one. There you are. One, two, only three? Okay. You see, here's where I believe here's an exit where I can slide it out. Okay. Alright, there you go. Final piece is out. Should be out soon. Okay, this one down. Now, I already took out the aftermarket one, so I'm trying to put it in the new one. So it's pretty easy to put it in. Make sure you have this part lined up against the edge of here, and where you can see the mark, the previous mark, you can just pop it in there. There you go. You have to hear the kick sound. There's another one. Okay, here's another one. Let's probably put it in right. Where's right in between here? There you are. On the side. Okay. Now, to remove the rear part is the same way. The goal is to unbuckle this clip so it lies around here. Let me see. I'm gonna use the same tool. Try to push it out or try to break it. I would say I will try to break it so I can yank this out. Okay, same way. Lift the all. Here. Coming out easy, this one. There you go. Now, I believe the click is broken right now. So this is off. try to slide it off. Okay. Actually, I found out that you probably don't have to slide it off, but just be careful. Okay, saving this original clip. Okay, again, it's pretty dirty. Let's clean it up. A little bit of slip thickens. Alright, let's put a new one in. Do that part again. Okay. And in the end, there's a part where you have to push it, make sure you get in, and here's the kick where you want to push it down so you can lock in. Doesn't look right to me. I'm gonna take it out a bit. There you are. Okay. Wow. Oh. This one doesn't sit very well. Alright, this one doesn't sit very well. I'm gonna readjust it a little bit. After all, this is an aftermarket, not a bad one. Alright, now it's more secure. I believe one with the kick I put in there was stuck in between the middle somewhere here. But Now after I readjusted them, they're sitting pretty nicely. So it wasn't that loose like before. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully this helped you guys out.